Right guys, PJ here, and today working on a 2009 Honda CRV. And I'm going to show you how to remove the door card to get to the speakers if you've got a speaker problem or another. It's a really simple, quick thing to do, and we're starting right here. There's a hidden flap just here, and what you basically do is have a little screwdriver. You'll notice there's a dent there, look. So when it's up in position, pop your screwdriver in and flick it down. So we're going to flick that one down, and there's a screw up inside here that we need to unscrew. It's like a Phillips one. Really hard to show you on camera, but there's the hole. I've already took it out. You just unscrew that out. Magnetic screwdriver is an aid. And then you come up here, and there's another little flap. So we pop that. And again, there's another screw. Can we get a camera on that? No, too dark. But there's another Phillips screw in there. We take that one out. We come up here, pop this out. They can be quite tight, they can. Phillips screw here, take that one out. And then down here, there's a little cover over this, like a nylon thing. Just flip it up out the way and you'll see a Phillips screw just there. Look, there's another Phillips screw. We're going to take that one out as well. So take all those screws out. Once all your screws are out, come around to the bottom corner of the door card, pop your leverage tool into the edge and basically work all the way around it. Now it's on poppers and they're really tight, so some of them might be difficult. Once you've got a gap, you can get your fingers under and literally click all the way around until your door card is completely loose. Once it's completely loose, it's just a case of easing it up. There we go. Quite tricky one-handed. Basically, when you unhook it, so you're going to lift it, you're going to lift it up and over. Just watch you don't pull on the wiring that goes to your switches. Once unhooked, we can see at the back here, we have two guidelines for the catch. And basically what we do is hold that, push it in, unhook it out, and then swing the cable around and pull it up and out. And that's the same for both of them to release these. And this is your wiring loom to your electric windows. There's a pinch tab underneath. You basically squeeze it and pull down and that will come out. And then you are free to get to your door speaker down there. And that, guys, that's it. That's how you remove the door card on one of these Hondas. Like I say, really quick, really simple to do. Just take your time, take care, try not to break any clips. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.